Hi, I'm Mickey Keenan, your personal injury attorney in Tampa, Florida. We help auto accident victims get the money they deserve so they can get back to living. Today, we're going to talk to you about getting into an accident and your vehicle is a total loss. I'm talking about totaled, not coming back, done. You're driving, life is great, not a problem, and then bam, you get into this accident. You get out of the car, airbags deployed, smoke is coming out of the engine. You're looking at this thing thinking, who's going to fix this? Can it be fixed? No, it can't. We're going to talk to you about what happens when your car is totaled. Is my car totaled? Well, here in Florida, we use the total loss threshold of 80%. What does that mean? Well, the insurance company will determine what is the actual cash value of your car. And if the cost to repair it is 80% or greater of that value, the car is totaled. It can't be driven. No matter how much you want to fix that car, it can't be fixed. So if you have a car that's worth $10,000 and it costs $8,001 to fix it, that vehicle is going to be totaled. Doesn't matter that it was your grandmother's car, doesn't matter that you washed it every day, doesn't matter that you wanted to give it to your kids, the car is totaled. So actual cash value, ACV, who determines that? Well, essentially, it's the insurance company that is going to pay for the total loss that determines what the actual cash value is. How do they do that? They do it a number of different ways. Most insurance companies have their own software or they use a third-party service to do it. But essentially what comes down to is they get 3 to 5 similar vehicles. So if you have a Toyota Camry, they find 3 to 5 Toyota Camrys in your same geographical area. They come up with an average price for those vehicles. They compare your vehicle to those vehicles. So if your vehicle has more mileage, they're going to take a little bit off the price of your vehicle. If your vehicle has less mileage, they're going to add a little value to your vehicle. Then they're going to give you a total valuation report. You're going to want to make sure that you inspect that valuation report so that they have the correct information on your vehicle. If you have that spoiler, you want to make sure that you get credit for it. Okay, so we established the car is a total loss. We know the value of it. What happens now? Well, if your car is at the tow yard, we got to get down there. We got to empty out your car of all the personal belongings, take off that license plate. If you're hurting, probably want to bring a friend because the salvage yard is not going to help you with that. Make sure you get your keys. You're going to have to turn those in. Make sure you get your title. You're going to have to sign over the title just as if you were selling the car. If you owe money on the car, call up your bank, find out how much you owe because they have a lien on the value of the car and their insurance company is going to have to pay them that lien first. Then once you have all that established, the insurance company is going to send you some paperwork, power of attorney, odometer reading, those kind of things. They may send you a release. Before you sign that release, make sure you send it over to us so we can make sure that they're doing only what they're supposed to do, releasing the property damage. So that sums it up. Property damage, pretty simple, right? Well, if it doesn't seem so simple, or if you're struggling with it in any way, give us a call. We have an intake specialist that will help you with that every step of the way and make sure that you get the full value for your vehicle.